marble on the staircase is broken and cannot be replaced. What should we do?
No problem, we fix the world.